Hello friends, this is my third video related to CV. Earlier I have discussed about the objectives in the CV, and and the second point was that you should show your position properly on your CV so that nobody get confused that what is your position. Today I want to discuss about the employment dates and company logos on your CV. Basically, the resume is all about the impression. So what you have to make is you have to make your impression through your CV. You have to brand yourself. Like brand mean, if you have been working in some company which is already kind of famous company, then it is that is already your base. For example, if you are working in like you are working in a Coca-Cola, so everybody knows what is Coca-Cola. So he can have your impression. He can have that he knows that you work in a big company and what is the main function of this company. So basically, whichever company you have been working, there may be about some famous companies and some just normal kind of companies are not much famous. But you have to make your company as a brand. So like whatever is your company's business, you have to show it something like that so that it can make impression and it can make clear to the person who is reading your CV that what type of business your companies do. For example, if you are working in a telecommunication company in any area, and and you are just mentioning the name of your company and you are not telling the detail that this company has this type of business or this company is equivalent to such business, such company, then the other person might not get a proper idea that what industry you have been in and what industry you have been expert, you're expert of in which field. So this was my message related to this CV. Basically, there are from Nawaf's standard CV review practice, there are 20 main points which should be there in every CV, which we should be taken care. So we will try to cover it by in step-by-step videos. We have already covered 2 points which were objectives. That you should not copy paste objectives from here and there, it should be proper. Either it should be proper objective so that the person who is reading, he should feel interest in it, or either you should remove this objective completely. And the other point was that your position, whichever position you are looking for, it should be very clear on your CV. And today we discussed and I tried to emphasize on how to brand yourself, how to sell yourself, how to sell the name of your previous employers, how to make them more important so your CV will get weightage. So you have to focus on these points. So these things will increase your impression of your CV. So basically, when you are not personally going to get a job first time, what is going is your resume. So work on it. So because your resume is kind of like your first impression to the employer. So that's all for today. Hope we will make new videos on the next topic. Next topic I would like to discuss about the soft file names. Then if you want to contact us or you want to join any group, these are our contacts number, so you can join our team. And I would also like to invite you at this moment to be part of our team and help other job seekers to find more jobs. So that's all for now. Hope to see you in the next video for other details. Thank you.